Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable Siri on the Flowbird application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Then click on the My Account button down below in the right side corner. And then click on Preferences, which is the third option. Then click on Enable Siri, which is the third option within the Preferences section, and you can find this button on the right side of the screen. Then you should click on OK to allow the app to use Siri. So here you should select another value based on your preferences. Just say, Siri, park my car for needed duration. And here you can select the duration, then click on the continue button. And here you can see the default phrase, but you can also record your customized phrase by clicking on the record phrase button at the bottom of the screen. So then Siri will be set. So that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.